So guys, I was working on the pine here and doing my part 3 video. Oh, but nothing was going well. Absolutely nothing. In the video I'll talk about, I think I'm putting out tomorrow. The boards aren't matching up properly before I fixed it, and just the nails are going all the way through the pine and like breaking the tongue, and it's just everything's going wrong. And I was like, forget it, I give up. And yeah, it's just after 4 now, but I gave up a little while ago, to be honest. Anyway, yeah, I gotta go more out of the garden, so I thought I'd show you guys my full bug gear that we got. We just got the latest piece in, so I've now got the full set. And the piece we just got in are the pants. Yeah, I was toying around with the how big they can get. So these are supposed to be a large. I'm not quite that large, but I kind of get it. And let me just widen these out, because I've already got my shoes on. I want to see if I can put my shoes on without let's see if I can get my pants on without taking my shoes off. Now I can't find my hip bag, which has my bug jacket in, so I got Alicia's bug jacket. It's a little tight on me. I wore it the other day. I know it's a little bit tight on me, but I'm gonna wear it anyway. And then I've got my bug thing. And for hands, I'm just gonna wear some ordinary leather gloves for that. So let's take a look here. Yeah, see if we can put these on without taking shoes off. Now I'm only wearing shorts underneath these. I'm expecting I'll still get a little bit stuffy. It is supposed to be quite warm today. I don't know if it was supposed to hit 28 Celsius and feel like 32, 33 Celsius. So pretty warm. I'm not sure if it's actually hit that. So lots of room in the pants. And that's kind of what you want for your bug gear. You want it to be nice and puffy, right? So it doesn't lie against your skin. And these are not bad. I'm going to do up the bottoms. I'll just tighten them up and still put them around my shoe, so nothing can come up the bottom. Yeah. Ah. So it's a bit of a tight fit on the jacket. That'll do. Now, I mentioned before, these jackets also come with hoods. However, they're really thick, and it's really hard to see out of them. And they're extra stuffy because of it. So, I mean, I could use the hood if I didn't know where my hat was. But I know where my hat is now. And you also want a wide-brimmed hat for your net to keep it off of your face. There. So I'll put on some leather gloves and we'll go. Not a lot growing. The green beans are growing really well, but that's about it. So I don't know if I'm just not watering them enough or what. Just, the bugs aren't getting me. And when there's a good stiff breeze, it's going through and keeping me a little cool, which is nice. But when the breeze dies down, it gets pretty stuffy. But I'd rather put up with a little stuffiness than, getting bitten by mosquitoes. Well, there's a bunch of stuff around me. There was a bunch of mosquitoes. I didn't shoo them away or anything. I just waited to see if I got bitten, and nope. Pretty good. Pretty good. And it's nice to be able to get out here with shorts. So I gotta call this one a success. That's pretty good. Definitely deer flies out here. Yeah! Short video, good video. Wait. I gotta end this the proper way though. Yeah. Cheers, everybody. Yeah, that didn't work. Cheers.